no! The clothes!
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, sweetheart.
Mom, what's for breakfast? Vegetable stew and toast. Vegetable stew and toast. Yay!
Mmm, yummy. Oh no! The clothes! Quick, Leo! The clothes! I've got the basket, Mom. Quick! Thank you for helping, Leo. We're a good team, Mom.
Look, Mom, the rain is dancing.
It is beautiful, isn't it?
Can we play in it? Just for a minute?
Well, since we're already wet.
This is the best day ever!
You're right. Best day ever.
I'm glad we didn't miss the fun.
Me too, Mom.